Okay, we'll try and talk you through how to remove stuck hinge pins. This is if your hinge pins are stuck too much to get them out with a slide hammer. Basically like a threaded rod, coupling nut. And the special ingredient, an axial needle bearing. And here is the completed product. The socket is cut at an angle with an angle grinder, approximately 1 centimeter askew. The socket and the nut and everything is mounted up onto the boat. Remember to grease the needle bearing with some grease, and then it just basically turns out the hinge pin and you'll get it loose. And these are all cheap basic tools that you can get at your nearest hardware store, with the exception of the axial needle bearing. So if anybody else got really stuck hinge pins, this is the way to do it.